No matter how much we explore, nature will always have some hidden treasures up its sleeves. From electric blue lava to rainbow waterfalls that seem straight out of a fantasy novel, here are some 1 in a billion moments that'll have your jaw on the floor. Electrified air. Thunderstorms are mesmerizing to watch, but can be incredibly deadly, especially if you ever catch your hair standing up like this lady's. This phenomenon is caused by the constant wind friction in the air, and is a clear sign that lightning could strike at any moment.
It must be the yeah, well no, it's the thunderstorm. That's how.
Lava pouring into the sea. Sites like these are a regular occurrence in Hawaii, which is home to a lot of active volcanoes. A tree coming to life and breathing. Don't worry, it's not actually breathing. This phenomenon occurs when strong winds push on the tree, resulting in the roots trying to break through the surface. Mud volcanoes. Though jumping into this for a relaxing mud bath might be tempting, it would cost you your life considering the fact they're a combination of hot water, natural gas, and clay. These occur when the gas pressure surrounding the humid clay is overpowering and escapes. Blue lava. This phenomenon only occurs on Mount Kawah Ijen, which is located in Indonesia. What gives it its striking blue color is the sulfur present in the lava. When it burns, the reaction emits an electric blue flame, making it seem like the lava is the same color too.
I can't see over the ledge here.
It's starting to rain. Get the whole rainbow, look at it.
There it is. There's the beginning of the rainbow.
Oh my god, this is so cool!
This is the weirdest thing.
Oh my god, this
The beginning
beautiful.
of 2 rainbows.
Oh my god!
Tsunami clouds in Cincinnati, Ohio. These cloud formations are thought to take place because of seismic activity under them, coupled with strong vertical air currents. And just like its own look, these clouds are also often a warning sign before an actual tsunami strikes the area. The two oceans that do not meet. It might look like something straight out of a sci-fi movie, but the reason these two oceans never mix is because the density of salt in both these bodies of water is different, and so it makes it impossible for them to merge together. They do mix, but not on a scale big enough to be noticeable. Starlings are known to travel in groups, and this formation is just so spectacular that you'd probably think it was an illusion.
That's the bird.
Officials say the intense explosive activity started happening before a larger explosion occurred in the crater. The volcano has also triggered an earthquake and a tsunami.
Alright, you guys, I am out in a parking lot and it is hot today. It's supposed to be 118 degrees today. Look at the asphalt. This stuff is just melting. Look what happens when you walk on pavement that's probably close to 150 degrees right now. Look at that. Melting asphalt out here. Stay hydrated, people. The ground is melting. Cheers.
Tsunami from heaven, also known as microbursts, they usually occur when a thunderstorm is kind of falling apart and decaying, and the updraft keeping it in place kind of collapses, which results in all of the air rushing down from the thunderstorm to the ground, carrying precipitation with it too. Underwater waterfall that looks like a passage to the underworld. As spooky as it may seem, this so-called waterfall is an optical illusion of sorts where sand and sediments fall off the ocean floor, making it seem like there's a waterfall beneath the surface of the water. The Devil's Kettle Waterfall near Lake Superior. One of the waterfalls in this system disappears into a cave, but the mystery behind it is that this water never resurfaces anywhere in the lake close to it. People have thrown GPS trackers, dyes, and even sticks to see if it comes up anywhere. But to this day, no one has been able to tell where the water goes exactly, Northern Light or Aurora Borealis. This phenomenon occurs when electrons and protons in the air collide with the various gases in the Earth's uppermost atmosphere, which produce colorful flashes in the nighttime sky. A mesmerizing glowworm cave in New Zealand. Glowworms are bioluminescent organisms that light up even at the slightest of movements, making the roof of the cave seem like it's a sky full of stars. Frozen methane bubble in Lake Baikal, Russia. These bubbles are formed by the bacteria from decaying animals and plants, which release methane gas straight into the water. Lake Natron in Tanzania. This lake is categorized as one of the deadliest in the world because it's extremely high in cyanobacteria, an algae that releases a chemical which in turn damages the cells, nervous system, and livers of most of the organisms that have consumed it. Any bird or animal that has ever drunk from Lake Natron has wound up dead as a result. According to the locals, there's a myth that this lake can even turn living things to stone.
Wow. You seen it, man? Excellent.
Whoa!
Bleeding tree. According to legends and myths, the first dragon blood tree, as they're called, were grown from the blood of a dragon that was wounded while fighting an elephant, and that's the reason why these trees bleed red. While that sounds interesting, the red sap is just a type of resin that the tree produces when it's wounded. Bioluminescent seawater. This phenomenon is caused by friction between the waves crashing into each other or any other disturbance in the water. This triggers the bioluminescent algae's defense mechanism, causing it to light up. Hat Lagoon or Pink Lake in Western Australia. The lake's striking pink color is thanks to a certain type of algae that lives in the water, called Dunaliella salina. When exposed to sunlight, the algae produces beta-carotene, the red pigment found in carrots and other vegetables.
Oh my god, look at that! Oh my god! Look at this run! Oh!
And that wraps up this video. Comment below and tell us which moment had you left awestruck and which one had you booking a plane ticket to see it in person. Follow us for more freaky nature content and see you at the next one.